Yes, good evening all children, good evening. I end up with the issue, so it took few minutes. Yes, how are you all? How are you doing?
Fine, sir. How about you?
Yes, I'm doing good. Yes, so till what we have discussed?
So 1 minute.
We were discussing theorems, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What theorem we discussed last time? Yes, can any one of you please summarize? Make it fast.
So 1 minute. I'm just getting book.
Any one of you please summarize. I need you guys to summarize it. Make it fast.
So last class, I think it was you explained the 3 points for circle.
Hmm.
Sir, 3 points and two theorems, sir.
Mhm.
The first theorem is equal chords are at equal distances from the center.
Mhm.
And the second theorem is chords equidistant from the center are equal, sir.
Mhm.
And the 3 points are there is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear points, sir.
Okay.
And a unique circle passes through three vertices of a
Okay.
triangle is called a circumcircle,
Mhm.
and the center and the radius are called circumcenter and circumradius
Okay.
of that particular triangle. That's it, sir.
Yes, what else? Hello?
That's it, sir.
So that's it.
Yes, today we will go with so one more theorem. Yes, guys, everyone done with your exams actually? Have you done with your exams from your school side?
Sir, I have two more.
We have.
I mean, I'm talking about maths exam.
No, sir, we have it this week.
Sorry?
Sir.
So for us, it's this week, sir.
For you this week, maths exam.
Yes, sir, it's
It's
day
a
after tomorrow.
final exam or like mid exam?
No, sir, it's PT3.
Sorry?
PT, sir, periodic test.
Periodic test 3. Okay. Okay. What about others?
Yes, sir, completed.
I need a response from everyone, please.
So for me, it's currently going on.
Okay, great. And yes, we were going through. We just had gone through the quiz as well, right? Last class. How many of you re-attempted that quiz?
Some E, sir.
So
So there are a few questions in the quiz. I have a few doubts in that.
okay. Yes. So once we're done with the concepts and once we start solving the questions, then you will come to know that. So need not worry that much. So we will solve the question. Each and every type of question we'll solve. Yes, I'm asking how many of you just tried to attempt the quiz?
Some E.
What about others?
Sir, me.
Make it fast. Tell me. You need to tell me the answer. Respond.
So you
Sir, I
talking
have.
about the quiz you
Sir, but
gave.
I didn't understand a lot of questions.
Okay. No problem. At least have you gone through? See, why I told you to go to the quiz again. The reason behind that is, see, there was you had like less span of time actually, isn't it? You had less span of time. So if you go through that, you might get a chance to reattempt it. Yesterday we had class, right? Not yesterday, day before yesterday we had. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so last class chords equidistance from the center are equal. That is what we have learned. Please reattempt the quiz. And now we'll talk about circles and quadrilaterals. Okay. Circles. Can you see the screen? Children, can you see the screen? Hello.
No, sir. We are unable to see.
Yes, yes. Now can you? Yes. Ha.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
See, basically now we'll be talking about basically circles and quadrilaterals. So the first theorem comes to everyone write. Start writing. Everyone should write. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it on any point on any not point any part of the circle. So what is this? So the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it on any part of the circle. So very, very good question. I mean, good point. Look at this here. Let us. This is a center, okay? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by at any part of the circle. So let me say, look at this here. So this is a radius. This is also radius. Okay. Let's say this is a PQ, OP, OQ. So let me take one more point here. If you subtend angle, let me join these two. If I join this one and this one. 1 second, children. Yes, guys, it is not looking like the side, but consider that it is not straight. Yes, look at this here. Angle subtended by an arc at the center, which means this one and this one is equal to double the angle subtended by any point of the circle. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it any part of the circle. Let's see. So what exactly he's talking about? Let us discuss that and let us derive that. See here, you take this some point here. Any point, let me take a point here. Okay. This is a center. So what is the PQ here? PQ is what? Can you observe PQ is what here? What is the PQ? Is an arc. PQ is an arc or not?
Yes, sir.
Proof.
So PAQ will be half of POQ.
Yes, 1 second. PQ is the arc of a circle. Okay.
So why do you always prove it?
Huh?
So why do you always provide the proof when you're like discussing properties?
Then proof is required, right? Then how we see circles is all about understanding the proofs.
So
If
why can't we make it like laws where like why isn't it like laws where it's like we don't need to prove it, it's like already there fixed?
Yeah, see fixed, but you should understand, right? How we are getting. See, all questions will be based upon proof. Like all circle questions will be like this only. So that is why you have to get habituated for solving these questions. If you
Okay, sir.
do know how to prove it, then you can solve the questions. Then, or else otherwise, like, it will be difficult for you to solve. That's why. So PQ is the arc of circle with what is the center here? Center O. Center is equal to O here. You can write like this of a circle with the center O that subtending subtends subtends angle POQ at the center. Okay, it is at the center, it is subtending. Okay, now I joined what here? This. Okay, if I look at this here, be careful here. Let me join this one. If I join this is my center, right? O, and let me extend this. Let me consider this point as some. This is A. This is, let me consider this as B. Okay, not till this. It will be somewhere here. Okay, some point here till this. Okay, that till that. And so here I got two triangles from triangle AOQ or OAQ. OAQ. From triangle OAQ, can I say OA is equal to OQ? How many of you agree with my point? Since these two are radii. Yes or no? Yes or no, people?
Yes, sir.
Both are radii. Yes, very simple. Now can I say that angle OAQ?
This proof also we did it, sir.
We done yesterday?
Yes, sir. Like
But not same
for
proof.
that
But
question.
yes, somewhat. Yes, that is different. This. Look at it here. OAQ will be equal to what? OQA. By using what? By using isosceles triangle property.
Yes, sir.
By using isosceles, by using isosceles triangle property, I could say that. Guys, you very important thing is you should know this principle. Proofs and all you can see. We just for the sake of understanding proofs, but the principle, whatever it is there, you should understand that. We should, remember that. That will help you solve the questions. Okay. So look at this here. Now angle BOQ will be equal to 2 times of OAQ. How? Can you please tell me? Exterior angle of a triangle. Look at this here. Exterior BOQ is exterior angle. Is equal to what? Sum of two interior triangles. Children, by using
Yes,
what
sir.
property I'm writing this? Understand? Since exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior triangles. Okay.
Yes.
Sum of two interior triangles. So BOQ will be equal to 2 times of OAQ. Huh. Guys, look at this here. So Similarly, if you talk about BOP, similarly, if you talk about BOP, BOP equal to what? Tell me.
So,
times
so in the second law that, I mean, second proof that you given, I didn't understand how is the triangle isosceles in OAQ equal to OQA?
OAQ is equal to both same ही है ना?
Okay, they are the same length, so they will have the same
हाँ.
angle. Okay, okay, sir.
So BOP is equal to 2 times of OAP. So मेरे पास look at this here. Now if I combine this one, देखो ये दोनों left hand side add this BOQ plus BOP will be equal to 2 times of OAQ plus 2 times of OAP. Is there anyone is in waiting room? No one. So look at this here. So what can I just BOQ plus BOP क्या होता है देखो BOQ plus BOP क्या होता है POQ? Yes or no? Combination of these two will be what? POQ.
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
equal
sir.
2 times of common. Let me take 2 common here. So OAQ plus OAP. So POQ will be equal to 2 times of OAQ plus OAP. OAQ plus OAP. What is that? PAQ.
Can you show the figure again?
Let me just drag this figure somewhat down. Look at this. So what was our question? What was my question? I mean, like, what was my principle? So what was my principle? Look at this here. Angle subtended by an arc at the center, which means POQ, will be equal to 2 times of PAQ, which means, look at, let me draw the diagram again. So this will be equal to 2 times of this one. Very simple. That is what he's saying. This will be equal to 2 times of this one, guys. That is what we have to prove here. That is what I proved. Clear? So angle subtended by an arc at the center is equal to, I mean, like, double the angle subtended by any part of the circle. So that is what we have proved here. So that is one theorem. Next, one more very, very important theorem here. Very, very important theorem. Next topic is angles in the same segment of, what do you mean by segment? We taught. What do you mean? Guys, these all are like questions only. Guys, see, don't think that these all are theory part, guys. These all are like questions only. Circle questions will be like this only. Circle questions will be like this. Simply he will give a statement, prove this. He will ask you to prove. This is how you need to prove, guys. Please. So everyone listen to me carefully. These all are like a questions, not theory part. Yes, and yes, we can consider this as theory part as well as questions also. All proofs are like questions, guys. If you don't understand the questions, if you don't understand theorem, you can't understand the questions. So please concentrate it. So what we learned in the last theorem, angle subtended by an arc at the center is what? Double the angle subtended by at any point on the circle. Very point. Angles, very important. Next topic is what? Angles in the same segment of a circle. Topic. Here the theorem is, the principle of the theorem is angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. So guys, look at this here. How can I prove this? Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Same chords equal we proved, and same segment are equal, we need to prove this. Look at this is my circle here. So this is center. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So look at this here now. Let me take this is A and this is B. Okay. So let us remove this for a while. And what is this? Here P and Q point I'm taking. So join these two. Okay. Okay. So now look at this, guys. What is this? I'm talking about segment here. AP and AQ are segments here. Very, very simple. So this is a center, right? Join this. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not good at diagrams. That is online. If it is offline, we can draw with a pen and paper neatly, but on writing pad is somewhat difficult. Okay, so this is center here. Now guys, look at here. This is my point A. Let me say this is point कुछ भी ले लो B. ठीक है? So this angle, it is making some angle is obtaining. So again, join this one. Oh. Okay. All right. So what we have to prove here? Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. What do you mean by segment? Tell me. Segment means what? क्या होता है segment का मतलब?
A section between two radii and an arc.
Section between a region between two radii
And an arc.
and arc. Look at this here. हाँ, मेरे पास देखो, मेरे पास क्या क्या है अभी देखो. Look at this here. What is arc here? This is my arc. PQ is arc. Okay. So, okay. Guys, we know one thing here. What we know here? Look at this here. Very. This theorem is related to the previous theorem. Very simple. Here, look at this here. P, AQ and P, BQ. What are these? These are the angles. These are the angles formed in what? Major segments. Okay, are the angles. Okay. And OP, OQ are what? OP is equal to OQ here. Since they are radii. Very simple. Guys, very simple. You don't need to tell me. You didn't observe here one thing. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double. Just now we learned, right? Double. Angle subtended
Yes,
by
sir.
at any point of the circle. You choose what? 2 times of P, AQ and is equal to 2 times of P, BQ. Do you agree with my point now? How many of you agree with my point here?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Just now I told बेटा. देखो ये दोनों
Yes,
equal हो
sir.
सकता है, ये दोनों equal हो सकता है. आया? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can write since angle subtended by an
So sir,
arc.
any angle we draw from P and Q, it will be half of POQ.
Sorry? Exactly. So PAQ is equal to half of the POQ. Any angle and a point will be half of the POQ. I mean center arc. Angle, what do you call that? Angle subtended by an arc at the center. Half of that.
Yeah.
You are right.
Yes, sir.
It
the center is double the angle subtended by it in any part of the circle. Just now we learned. Okay, let me write it roughly. Chalo. Now what can you say here? Can I write here this PBQ? Boys and girls, look at this here. Can I equate these two now? 2 times of
Yes,
PAQ
sir.
is equal to 2 times of PBQ. 2 cancel. तो मुझे क्या बचा इधर? PAQ is equal to PBQ. Hence proved. Hence proved. देखो, what was my principle? What was my principle? What was my motive to prove here? Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. देखो,
Yes, sir.
मैंने प्रूव कर रहा हूँ सेम सेगमेंट बेटा. देखो इधर ध्यान से सुनिए मेरे बात. ये दोनों अरे रे एक मिनट. PAQ ए एंगल एंड PBQ ए एंगल दोनों इक्वल होता है. सेम सेगमेंट. मेरे सेगमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है बताओ मुझे. सेगमेंट
Region in between two radii and an arc.
I need an answer from everyone.
Region between two radii or an arc. So is it or and or and?
It's an
Where is
and.
it? Huh?
So the region between two radii or an arc, right? That's the thing. That's the segment.
Segment का मतलब होता है is the region of a
between
circle
chord
which
and its corresponding arc.
yes, tell me Ananya.
So the region between a chord and its corresponding arc.
Region between
A chord and its corresponding arc.
yes. So now look at this here, and you can tell in some other way as well. Guys,
Sir, I didn't understand this theorem, sir. Angle in same segment of circle are equal.
no, I'm see here segment का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा. ये बताया था मैंने. देखो ये कार्ड होता है ना हमारा. look at this here. कुछ भी ले लो ये भी. ठीक है. मेरा ये माइनर सेगमेंट होता है मेजर सेगमेंट. दैट इज व्हाट द रीजन बिटवीन क्या होता है. बिटवीन a region bounded by a chord of a circle.
Yes, sir.
No, 1 minute.
Region
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
bounded by a chord of a circle and a arc of the circle.
Okay, sir. So that one, and the one with radii, it is a sector.
Yes, the segment it means segment nothing but the region bounded by a chord. ठीक है. Bounded by a chord. अरे एक मिनट डायग्राम तो चला गया. Region bounded by the chord of a circle and arc of that particular circle. This one and this one. ये मेरा होता है सेगमेंट. माइनर सेगमेंट ये जो बाकी वाला पूरा मेजर सेगमेंट होता है. All right, hope it is
So
clear.
what are you considering as the chord here?
Chord అంటే ఏంటి మరి? Chord అంటే BQ కదా.
No, sir. No, sir. I'm telling like in this diagram that you drawn. What are you
BQ,
considering as the chord?
AP and BQ. ఇక్కడ
So how can
angles
you take two chords and then?
two chords I'm not taking. I'm just taking that thing from the previous proof. There is no two chords. Two ante you mean like why you are taking AP and BQ here?
Yes, sir.
Why
you
we are taking two time means you look at this angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Same segment means here he is comparing here common sense. He is comparing angles in the same segment means he is comparing two chords. He is comparing two angles. That is what the reason I'm taking two. How can you compare
Okay,
with
so
without having two
so it
chords?
will be twice as that of.
No.
So it
That is
will
not
be
the
twice.
concept here. See, that will be twice only. That will be twice. నేను చెప్పే కాన్సెప్ట్ నువ్వు అడిగే క్వశ్చన్ వేరు నేను చెప్పేది వేరు. This will be twice only. This will be twice only. This yellow color circle which I have highlighted here, that came from the previous proof. Why I took AP and BQ chord here? That is what your question, right? Why I took two chords here? That is what the
Yeah,
question.
sir. Yeah,
The
yeah.
reason behind that taking is, look at the look at the principal angles in the same segment. Look at it, sir. AP BQ equal hai kada, same segments kada. Okay, so
Yeah, sir.
of a circle are equal. That is what he is saying.
Equidistant chord.
So he is comparing. అంటే రెండు కార్డుల గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. He is talking about two cards here. That is what the reason I took two cards. Until and unless I took, I take two cards, I can't prove that, isn't it? Because
Yes,
if you
sir. Understood.
say, look at this, Sujay got more marks than Sujay. Can you say that? Or Sujay got more marks than some ex-student? Can you? Which statement is correct here?
Sir, Sujay got most
Yes.
marks than next
Yes, you are comparing. You are comparing, right? When you compare, when you have two things, when you have two objects, or when you have two things, then only you can compare.
But sir, when two objects are the same, then how do you compare?
Sorry,
Sir, here the chords
that
are
is what the
same,
question.
right?
That is what the question. Here,
Okay.
comparison
Okay, sir.
means comparison in the sense, నీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పా, కంపేర్ చేయాలంటే అలా చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చెప్పా, ఇక్కడ నేను రెండు ఈక్వల్ కార్డ్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఆ ఈక్వల్ కార్డ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు యాంగిల్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ ఉంటాయని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. That is what he's saying.
Yeah, sir. Understood.
Whenever two
Yes,
cards
sir,
are equal, their angles are equal. All right. So if two Sujays are there, then their marks will be equal, right? Sujay got, like Sujay is equal to Sujay, means Sujay, the marks Sujay got, which Sujay got, that will be equal to Sujay's marks only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what the concept is. Yes. So next guys, very very important here. So what you learned from the proof? Let me summarize here. Angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is double the angle subtended by an arc at any point of the circle, and angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Next very very good point. The angle subtended by diameter on the circle. This concept is this one. Now principle is what is the principle? Let me write. Angle subtended by diameter on a circle is a right angle. Which means what is talking about? He is saying indirectly angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి క్లియర్ గా everyone. So guys, here what is saying, what is the principle here? Let me just change the color so everything became okay. This is the principle. Angle subtended by the diameter. Let's say ఇక్కడ let me say this is a center. Somewhat let me draw the diagram somewhat big. और क्या हो रहा है भाई ये? Okay, look at this. Let me say this is somewhat my PQ. Okay, कुछ भी ले लो. This is P. This not.
So are these grade 9 concepts or grade 10 concepts?
This is grade 9 only.
Center. Sorry, this is, let's say, my this is my PQ, I mean diameter. Okay, so let me say any point here. I took point A here. Okay, let me join these two. 1 second. Array. 1 minute. Okay, so let me join this one as well, and let me extend this just as we did before. let me say this is A and I'm extending till B. Now what is saying? Angle subtended by the diameter in a on a circle is a right angle, which means angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle which means ఈ semicircle లో ఉండే angle ఏంటిది right angle అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. అదే కదా, that is what, right? How can I prove? Look at this. Guys, boys and girls, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't get a response from
Sir,
anyone
sir,
else.
90 degrees for the perpendicular, right?
Akshit, look at this. Aditi,
Sir, won't the perpendicular be 90 degrees anyway, even if the diameter is not there?
sorry.
So the perpendicular will be 90 degrees anyway,
Perpendicular
right?
means 90 only. Yes,
Yeah.
anywhere.
So
Wherever
why,
you go.
so why are we proving it, sir?
Huh?
So why are we like proving it?
Why we are proving?
Hmm.
Then how come you know? దాని ఎట్లా అసలు ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది మనకు
Okay,
తెలుసుకోవాలి.
okay, understood, sir, understood.
ఎస్ ఫర్ తెలుసుకోవాలని అంతే. చూడు అదితి, ఆదిత్య, అక్షిత్
Yes, sir.
and Ananya. Ananya,
sir.
wait 1 second.
Sir, I am understanding, sir.
Yes. Bhargav, Harini, Jivika. Look, let me tell you the people who are not at all responding in the class. Aditi, Aditya, and Jivika,
Sir, I'm following.
Devasri, Akshay, Akshit, Modita, Nitya, Pranav. I need a response from these guys immediately.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Sir, understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Aditi, are you here, beta?
Yes,
నీకు తెలుగు అర్థమవుతుందా?
sir.
Huh?
Sir, I don't know Telugu.
I didn't get you.
Sir, I don't know Telugu.
Can you please talk loudly?
So she's saying she doesn't know Telugu.
She doesn't know Telugu. But can you understand?
Sir, you can just tell in English.
I can tell in English. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Next, Aditya, Ayushman.
Sir, I'm understanding.
Ayushman Bhava. Why you are not responding, beta? Nitya, are you here, Nitya? Nitya? Nitya, someone has left meeting. Modita, are you here, Modita?
Yeah, sir.
Then why you are not responding? Are you able to understand?
Yeah, sir.
Good. Nitya, what about you? Nitya ji? Not, I think she is not listening in the class. Nitya, are you here? Jivika?
Sir, I'm understanding.
आ रहा है आपको, समझ में आ रहा है आपको मैंने जो भी पढ़ा रहा हूँ इधर? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then why you are not responding? थोड़ा आंसर तो दे दो. तब सर से भी बात कर ला कि हो, लेकिन तब नो आंसर भी दिया करो, तभी तो मुझे भी समझ में आएगा कि हाँ बच्चों को समझ में आ रहा है. यह है कि आपने क्या बोलता है उसको, आपने रेस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहा है क्लास में, क्या होगा? गाइज आपको सबको समझ में आता है ना हिंदी? A to Z, each and every one, can you understand Hindi at least? Guys, the reason behind talking in multiple
Yes, sir.
languages, the reason behind talking in multiple languages is you can't stick to always English. You know, understand? You have to talk, you have to learn all the languages. That is what very important. ऐसे नहीं है कि कुछ भी बात करो इन बिटवीन, तेलुगु भी लर्न करना है, हिंदी भी करो, तमिल भी करो, इंग्लिश भी करो, सब कुछ. Learn as many languages you can. It is helpful to you. I'm telling you, it's very, very important. Learn as many languages you can. So इसीलिए कभी भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलो, ट्राई टू लर्न. ठीक है, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एटलीस्ट. कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए थोड़ा उसको समझने की कोशिश करो, तो वो बहुत काम में आएगा आपको फ्यूचर में. ये काम में आने वाला चीज है भाई. ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ? ईच एंड एवरीवन, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
नो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सर, समझ में आ रहा है.
हाँ, देखो बॉस तो देखो कितना होशियार है बॉस. वेरी गुड भार्गव. चलो
सर, मैं बॉस नहीं हूँ, सर.
तेरा नाम बॉस ही है भाई, बिग बॉस। चलो अभी देखो, हमने अभी क्या करेंगे इसमें, देखो पीओक्यू, हमारे पास पीओक्यू क्या है इधर, हियर, व्हाट इज द पीओक्यू हियर,
The
हियर
diameter.
पीओक्यू
The
क्या है मेरे
diameter.
में, डायमीटर, दिस इज माय
So
डायमीटर,
and AP and AQ are radii.
वेरी गुड। सो मेरे पास एपी, एपी एंड AQ नॉट रेडियाई हियर,
OP
Sir, I
and
meant chord.
यस कॉर्ड, यस ओपी OQ OA ये सब बराबर होता है, सिंस दी ऑल दिस आर रेडियस, ऑल दिस आर रेडियस, ओके। हाँ, हम उससे कोई लेने का देने का नहीं, उससे कोई लेने देना नहीं, OA OP ये सब बराबर है, ये लिखने का जरूरत ही नहीं है इधर, जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। हाँ, नीड नॉट टू राइट OA इज इक्वल टू OQ इज इक्वल टू OP OA, why we are not writing, why need not to write that one, so here we are talking about angle, let's try to make that, उसको समझने की कोशिश करो। इधर देखो हमारे पास PAQ इज एंगल है, ठीक है, PAQ इज माय व्हाट, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय डायमीटर, इजंट इट, दिस इज माय एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय द डायमीटर, ठीक है। और व्हाट इज द PQ हियर, डायमीटर विच कुछ भी ले लो, PQ, डायमीटर PQ, ओके।
yes sir.
अब POQ क्या है इधर, व्हाट इज द POQ,
So POQ is 180 degrees.
diameter, no, angle POQ is also same thing, angle subtended by the diameter
At
PQ
center.
at what, at center, हाँ, this is what, let me just इसको थोड़ा इधर खींचने दो मुझे, यस, हाँ, तो इधर देखो, ये तो एट द सेंटर हो गया, ये एट व्हाट, PAQ एट व्हाट, ये क्या है, ऑन द बाउंड्री ऑफ द सर्किल, उसको क्या बोलता है, क्या बोलेंगे उसको,
Circum
सरकमफरेंस, वेरी गुड, दिस इज वेरी,
Circumference.
सरकमफरेंस, सरकमफरेंस, देखो थोड़ा समझिए इधर, देखो भाई, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स एवरीवन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, सरकमफरेंस, P, मेरे पास PAQ इट इज एन एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय द डायमीटर PQ एट सरकमफरेंस, POQ AB एंगल है सबटेंडेड बाय द डायमीटर एट व्हाट, एट द सेंटर, at the center.
Sir, I didn't understand the PAQ definition.
PAQ मेरे पास देखो, मैंने बोल रहा हूँ, आई एम सेइंग दैट PAQ, ఓహో వన్ సెకండ్, PAQ అంటే ఈ యాంగిల్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నా, ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎక్కడ అయింది, సర్కంఫరెన్స్ మీద కదా, POQ ఇస్ వాట్, ఇక్కడ POQ ఎక్కడ నుంచి అయింది, సెంటర్ దగ్గర కదా, टू एंगल्स फ्रेम्ड, यू नो सबटेंडेड का मीनिंग क्या
Yeah,
होता है,
sir.
फॉर्म्ड, सबटेंडेड का मीनिंग क्या होता है, फॉर्म्ड, these two angles
So
formed
sir,
where,
what are the
हाँ.
two angles formed, sir?
here O,
PAQ and POQ.
हाँ, yes, these two angles formed, ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అయింది, PAQ at circumference,
On the circumference line of
POQ
the
formed
circle.
at center, that is what I'm writing here, nothing is there to understand much, very simple, right, yes। मेरे पास अभी देखो, मुझे बताओ अभी, हाँ, can I write angle POQ, angle subtended at the center is equal to twice of angle subtended by any point of the circle as per the theorem, just now we learnt, yes or no, Nitya, Jivika, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Angle subtended at the center is equal to twice of the angle subtended by at any point of the circle, which means angle PAQ, आया समझ, हाँ, सो मेरे पास ये मिला मुझे, तो मैंने क्या लिख सकता हूँ, देखो इसको PAQ, can I write like this,
Sir, could you copy the image and paste it down?
yes, half times of POQ, just a minute, can I write like this image, you want me to keep it down,
No, sir, just copy it and like put it down.
which one image you want me to do,
Yes, sir, just I mean it's
image,
fine, sir. You can
I'll
just
do that,
move it
I'll do
down.
that, I'll do that, no problem, I understood your point, yes, चलो, अच्छा, तो मेरे पास देखो, ध्यान से सुनिए इधर, व्हाट इज POQ, लीनियर पेयर, yes or no, So
Yes,
मेरे
sir.
पास देखो PAQ guys, these are very very important question. This type of questions you will get. आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है क्लियर कट से, आपने क्वेश्चन से फुटबॉल खेलोगे. मैंने चैलेंज करता हूँ आपसे, everyone, I would challenge to everyone, if you understand this one clear cutly guys, you will play the questions like football. You play with the questions like football game, I'm sure. Look at this.
So why is POQ linear pair? Because of the perpendicular
football
splitting
is
into two
difficult.
halves.
లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ మన లీనియర్ పేర్ మనం ఏమని చెప్పుకున్నాం మనము ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంటే ఇట్లా మా ఫామ్ అయితే 180 కదా, ఇది 180 కదా, ఫుల్ 360 కదా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, sir.
We learned in lines and angles, yes or no? So half
We'll
times
split
half.
it into 180 degrees when we
Exactly.
divide.
So now exactly, now POQ is nothing but what here, 180 degrees as per the linear pair. So 2 ones 2 90s. So PAQ ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది చూడండి, PAQ ఏమో వచ్చింది నాకు 90 degrees. This is what I wanted to prove, hence proved. So look at this here, sir. What did you prove? क्या prove कर दिया आपने? देखो guys, मैंने इधर ये prove किया, मैंने देखो क्या prove किया, देखो angle subtended by the diameter on a circle is right angle. वो prove किया मैंने, angle subtended by diameter on a circle is a right angle, which means angle subtended, angle in a semicircle is a right angle, angle in a semicircle is a right angle triangle. हमेशा याद करो, हमेशा याद किया करो. देखो बेटा, ये एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय द डायमीटर ऑन ये सर्किल क्या होता है? राइट एंगल होता है. विच मीन्स वो क्या बात करे, किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है इधर? इज टॉकिंग अबाउट सेमी सर्किल इधर, ठीक है, ఈజ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ సెమీ సర్కిల్. వాడు సెమీ సర్కిల్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. ఈజ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ సెమీ సర్కిల్. एंगल इन सेमी सर्किल क्या होता है? वो राइट एंगल होता है. उसका प्रूफ क्या था? मैंने जो अभी बताया था आपको, दैट इज व्हाट द प्रूफ ऑफ दैट. समझ रहे? आया समझ? कोई डाउट इधर? कोई डाउट? कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
परफेक्ट.
Sir, can you discuss next theorem next class because it's almost done class?
Yes, do you want to leave?
Yes, sir, kind of.
Okay, you can leave it. So we don't have
That's still 3 minutes.
yeah, actually let us have a look at the syllabus. Yes,
Yeah,
okay.
sir. Okay.
Look at this. Where is that? Yes. So what are the things? Let us have a quick recap over here. So if you have a look at your क्या बोलते हैं वो I mean syllabus के बारे में एक बार हम लोग जानकारी कर लेंगे तो हमको समझ में आ जाएगा कि हम लोग क्या क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, क्या पढ़ना चाहिए. देखो सर्किल्स में देखो हमने क्या क्या पढ़ लिया आज तक. देखो थ्रू एग्जाम्पल्स अराइव द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द सर्किल, ये तो छोटू है भाई. रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट, रेडियस, सर्कम्फ्रेंस, ये सब पढ़ लिया. डायमीटर, कॉर्ड क्या होता है, और कॉर्ड इज आर्क, सीकेंट, सेक्टर, सेगमेंट, सबटेंडेड एंगल. सबटेंडेड एंगल का मतलब थोड़ा एंगल को फॉर्म करना दोनों कॉर्ड्स के बीच में जो होता है ये वाला, ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट. एंड इक्वल कॉर्ड्स ऑफ अ सर्किल सबटेंडेड इक्वल एंगल्स. हाँ प्रूव कर लिया इसको. यस. परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्किल टू द कॉर्ड, परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्किल. हाँ ये तो हो गया था, ये मैंने बाइसेक्ट करने वाला ये भी बताया था. The chord bisect the chord and conversely the line drawn through the center of a circle bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Yes, we done this one. Equal chord of a circle or equidistant.
Yes, sir, this was
from the center.
completed.
This one we done. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is doubled. Just now we done today. Angles in the same segment are like equal. Sum of अच्छा this मेरा sixth वाला बाकी है अभी. Sixth वाला बाकी है. Sum of the either of the pair of the opposite angles of the quarter ladder. Yes. So only one thing we have left with. So that we'll discuss in the next class. I think this would be your last class. I would be on leave actually. Probably tomorrow I'll be taking an extra class.
Yes.
Tomorrow I'll be taking an extra
Okay,
class.
sir. Sir,
Tomorrow yes.
sir, tomorrow keep at 6:30 at that time, sir. 4 o'clock it is not possible because some problem.
Tomorrow 6:30. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Sir, isn't
Sir,
Thursday
6:30
science
is a
class?
bit late for me, sir.
Sorry,
So for normal timing we can do it, right?
I didn't get you.
Tomorrow science class, right? Tomorrow.
Yeah, sir, tomorrow science class, right?
Yeah, tomorrow science class will be there. I'm taking an extra class since I won't be
Okay,
available.
okay, understood, sir.
I won't be
Yeah,
available
can
for
we
you.
have the extra class on Saturday?
One second.
Maybe
Let me-
sir is not
One
available.
second, children. So let me stop recording. We can discuss. One second. Thank you.